Okay, so hi everyone, welcome on board. Today to the Cat Kings Inspire series, we have with us Professor Dr. Mangesh Kasbekar, who is the admissions head at NL Dalmia. I'm sure you guys have all heard about Dalmia Institute. It's like super famous for finance and marketing and PGDM programs and MBA. In fact, Mangesh sir himself is also a professor of marketing. So we are going to be having a brief discussion with sir today with respect to your online interviews, because being the admissions director, I think he has taken like loads of interviews and would be the best person to guide you guys to crack your interviews. Welcome on board, sir.
Thank you so much, Anisha. It's always
So,
a pleasure to know.
lovely. So we have some quick questions for you.
Sure.
What do you think, like as the admissions head, how important is it for a candidate to have like a holistic profile?
Anisha, one thing that we are haunted by applicants every year when they apply for our PGTM program is what is the cutoff? And we always tell them that it is not just the entrance exam score that matters, but the overall profile of the candidate that matters. That is the holistic profile of the candidate. I mean, you'll agree with me that entrance exam scores never reveal the complete identity of the student, just some percentage of it. It is more to do with his overall personality. So, factors like how well read he is with regards to the latest happenings and development in today's dynamic world, his overall understanding with regards to the subject in hand, his clarity of thoughts as to why he wants to pursue his MBA and what would be the utility value for him, how well he's able to communicate, connect, and convince his ideas, how passionate and eager he is to pursue the program, his attitude and body language at the time of the interview, and of course, his past academic performance, how consistently impressive it is. Now, this all matters a lot.
Lovely. So, sir, you mentioned about body language. So, I want to know some quick like do's and don'ts for like an online interview, because it's a totally new thing for everybody out here.
So particularly answering your question with regards to the do's and don'ts with regards to the online interview. Now, considering the pandemic situation where institute nowadays conduct, personal interviews online, the candidate needs to take care of the following things, and I think they are the top 6 things that they should consider. One, he should have a sound internet connection. The Wi-Fi is always advisable than a hotspot connection, and that's coming from the personal experience. Number two, it's advisable that he connects on a laptop or a PC rather than a mobile phone. And let's say if he's using a mobile phone, take care that it is properly placed on a desk and not hand holded. Otherwise it looks shabby. Third, always perform a dry run with your friend or a colleague with respect to how you would be visible on camera and whether your voice quality is dropping or it's not dropping. Connect the PI room a good 5 minutes in advance. I mean, it's okay to stay in the waiting room, say in Zoom, rather than rushing at the end moment and connecting with the interviewer. You know.
Right.
Fifth, as far as possible, look at the camera while you speak. That would make you look at the interviewers. And sixth, it's always good to cross-check with the panel that you are audible and your voice is clear. Apart from
Correct.
this, there are general tips that everybody knows. Be well dressed, be confident, and wear a half smile on your face. All right. Have a good elevator pitch while introducing yourself. Be specific to the questions. Don't unnecessarily beat around the bush. Be well read with regards to what's happening in the world of business. And if you're asking particularly with regards to body language, yes, first, of course, is the eye contact, which I just mentioned. Number two, of course, the posture is again very important. The many students, the way they sit, they are either too relaxed, which somewhere down the line doesn't look good, or they sit on the edges in this fashion. That
Correct.
shows a little bit of nervousness, of impulsiveness. So be comfortable where you are, and also take care of the hand gestures. I have seen in group discussion and PI students make a lot of hand gestures, but that becomes a kind of a background noise to the panelists. Yeah.
True, true, true. Very true. So, one last question is, an interview lasts for usually like a 15 to 20 minutes. So, how do you evaluate a candidate whether he's fit or not for your college? You take interviews for Dalmia. So, how does it help, like in 15 minutes, take a call?
Yeah, I love to answer this question. This is my favorite one. First and foremost, he should have a state of the art communication skills. Uh, that includes both verbal and non-verbal. Now, he should try and not to be too fast or impulsive, because that typically what happens with students. They are too eager to speak. They get very impulsive at times. But he should be more articulate and be more mature. Actually, at least he should be sounding more mature. That's one. Number two, have clarity of thoughts and a strong statement of purpose, why he wants to pursue this program. That's extremely important.
Okay.
Point number three, he should have a decent domain knowledge. I'm not saying expertise, but at least a decent domain knowledge. The field he has graduated in, right? Fourth, how well read he is with regards to the current affairs and the latest happening in the world of business. Fifth, his past academic records, of course, somewhere down the line that impresses the interviewer as well. And sixth, last but not the least, his overall personality. I mean, not just how well he has dressed, but his body language and his attitude towards looking at things and with regard to the questions being asked.
Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely. So I think this was like an amazing thing for all of you guys to make a checklist while you're preparing for your interviews, and watch it again and again so that you make sure every interview you sit, you're able to crack it up. Thank you so much, Mangesha. It was
You're
a
most
pleasure to
welcome.
have you on board.
You're most welcome, Anisha. My pleasure. Thank you.